Hey, what is up guys, this is Kabir, and in this video we're gonna take a look at some top cases for the Mi 8 and the Mi 8 AC which I like most. And if you want any of these cases, you can go to the link in the description below to check them out. Here I will show you the cases for the Mi 8 AC, which is literally the same for the Mi 8. And the today's sponsor is gearbase.com, where you will find incredible deals on so many products such as these cases and others as well. So let's get right into the video. So let's start off with the autofocus case, as they named it for this phone. I have the black one here. You can also find other colors like blue, red and orange. So the packaging is very simple. Opening up the package, you can see this one has patterns in it, which reminds me of the Milkin cases that I used, and it means the case is shockproof. It feels really premium for the stitching on the back, and the colors are really great, so you can clearly feel the fingerprint sensor and other buttons when it's in your pocket. So let's put the device and see how it fits. It fits really well, and all the buttons works almost every time. Also, it had a good amount of rigidity on this case, so when you put this device face down on a surface, it won't touch your screen, so it will be more safe from scratches. So one of the best case for regular use. And next up we will check out one of the fanciest cases in this list. This comes with so many colors according to your choice. Again, you can check in the gearbase links in the description below to get it. So taking a closer look, it feels like a leather case, but in reality it's a fox leather case and plastic on the inside. The colors are pretty straightforward. The top and the bottom part is exposed, meaning it could damage your device from small drops to large drops. But it is a fancy case which you might have to sacrifice a little bit. Let's put our device in, and it looks really pretty. Girls out there will like it more, I guess. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. As the buttons are exposed, you can easily feel them. I think it's not an everyday use case. So moving on to the next one, we have the dark brown case, which will give you a wooden vibe to it. It's also a fox leather case, which is the same as the last one in our list, but the guys will like it for sure. It has a minimalistic texture on the back, and also it looks so minimal, not too crazy for a case. Let's put our device in, and it looks incredible. The color matches and blended with this gray version of the Mi 8 AC. Again, the top and the bottom of this phone are exposed, so be careful when using this kind of cases. The colors are precise, and this case has a little amount of rigidity on this case, so when you are putting this on a surface, it is good. Moving on to the next case, which is our everyday use case, is the armor case, which is in blue color here. You can also find 3 or 4 more colors if you want. This will give you the ultimate protection for your device. It is a 2-part case. The blue part is solid metal and the other is the silicone type. As you can see, you can separate the 2 parts apart and it sticks into place again. It's also shockproof and have patterns in it. Here you can see the power button indicated clearly and the volume buttons as well. The colors are really precise. The downside is it will make your device super bulky and you cannot use it in one hand. The positive side is it has drop protection. Also, there is a flap which you need to open while charging your phone. Overall, a great case for everyday use. And lastly, the most sleek among all these cases is the Milkin case. I like this case most because when you get it, it will come with a screen protector and a cleaning cloth alongside with it, which is a nice touch. I have the black one here. This will give you a regular protection because the top and the bottom are exposed, so be careful with your drops. The colors are precise and it feels solid in the hands, so if you want a minimal type of case, go and get it. So let's put our device in and see how it goes. And there you have it, the Milkin branding on the bottom right corner and a clean overall look. Here's how the top and the bottom looks with this case, so let's check it. So one last thing before I wrap up today's video. Most of you guys out there ask me so many times that which glass protector or which screen guard I use on my phone. So here it is. This is the Milkin, which is my favorite one. This one comes with this kind of packaging. This is the legit one, and there are so many replicas out there, so before you buy it, check it clearly. If you can get the original one, it won't break easily, so you can get one for yourself. Link in the description below, go get it. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and which case you like most, write down as well. Until the next video, peace out.